Alright, today's the day. Just waiting on the phone call from the guys. Come pick these dudes up. This one and this one. What I'm doing right now is I'm just I'm gonna take all the parts that I pulled off of these guys and I'm gonna stick them in there so homeboy doesn't see all the parts I sold. So I don't think he's gonna care. He's just the driver, but so I have to get these guys off the ramps. So when I drove this car up here, I drove it all the way back, almost knocked it off the jack stands that were there because I bumped into it, and I laid down the ramps because this is at an angle. It goes down, the whole driveway does. So if you see from the other side what I got going on, you can see that it's at an angle there. So it was actually pretty ingenious of me, but then thinking about it, I forgot to realize how I was going to get it out. I was going to have my buddy back his truck or drive his truck up and push it back and then take it off. He's been busy this weekend because it was Easter weekend. So what I did was I tried to use some of my $20 O'Reilly's ratchets on the tow hook to tow hook, but that got so tight so quick, and I was worried about the cheap O'Reilly's thing. I had two of them going to the tow hook. This one, I tightened the e-brake way down, tried to bring it back. It brought it back about an inch, and then I realized that it was probably going to snap those things, so I just let it go. And then I tried to take my car, which is currently parked over there. You can see the tail light. That guy is, I backed it up yesterday, got it right against the bumper, and then pushed it back, and as I was pushing it back, it hit that little lip that's right there, and reverse in a manual, pushing a 3,000 pound car, 2,700 pounds or whatever it is, 2,900 pounds, with a manual in reverse uphill, doesn't work. Immediately started smelling burning clutch, like I just peeled out. So I was talking to my buddy, and I had the brilliant idea. Neither one of these jack stands would fit up front here, because that's a good 1.5 feet at least. So in order to bring it up enough to pull those out, I'm just going to put one on either side since I have two. Why not? Jack it up and pull it off. So that's where I'm at. Be right back when I'm done with that. Ooh. Ooh. Excuse me. That guy's driven around the block 8 times. He's got a huge fucking van. We're trying to like set up the new condos next door with a bunch of fake furniture and shit. But you're not gonna find a parking spot. You're definitely not gonna block mine because I got a fucking tow truck coming for these two. Look at that shit. Ouch. There it is. Got the white trunk on here. Batting down. Got the OEM fans in there. I'm donating that, by the way. Yeah. But man, so much room. It's insane. Fucking insane. I can't believe how big my garage is. So much bigger. Oh, there isn't like 2 cars in here basically. Such a good feeling. You have no idea. What was it September 8th? That thing's been sitting here. It is now day after Easter. Holy crap. Alright, see if I can get some video of the tow truck driver once he gets here. It's currently, it's not going to tell me what time it is. I don't know what time it is. If I had to guess, I'd say noon 30. And they're supposed to be here between 12 and 4. So we'll see. Alright, I'm going to do some cleaning up. See what I can do. Alright, he's here. He signed for it. We're doing it. Man, you want to talk about stance? talk about stance. Look at this stance. Look at my stance. That is low, buddy. Good thing I don't have a trailer hitch. Oh, sad and glad. There they go. Woo! Scrapey. Bye. Goodbye, cars. Nice. Gave me a couple toots on the way out. And just like that, just like magic, both cars are gone. Gone. Didn't actually make that bad of a stain on the old garage floor. Alright, I'm going in here. This is where it was. Yay, garage is back. Look at that. Now I gotta clean this place up. Now that I have like, not only an excuse, but a reason. Alright, clean it up time. Boom. Yes. Got everything put away. Good to go. Got the floor all swept. Everything is, yeah. Just wanted to show you guys real quick. And myself, really. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna get a car. As you can see, it is definitely in here. I got it. It's in here. Plenty of room. Look at all that room. Oh, it's gonna be fun. I can do all kinds of stuff in here. Out of the rain. And bugs. Not under the tree. So nice. It was so much pleasure came to me as I crossed the threshold into the garage and found my way to this parking space. Yes. All right. That's today's adventure.